Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Rose Oatley, bringing you another air fryer video, chicken skewers with a delicious butter garlic sauce. Before you get started, make sure you place your skewers in water. Soaking them will keep them from burning in the air fryer. These are 8-inch skewers, which fit perfect in my air fryer. If you want to serve them over a bed of white rice, now's the time to start cooking your rice. You'll need some chicken breasts. After rinsing, you want to pat them dry and cut any fat off as needed. I like to cut mine in half lengthwise, then into good-sized chunks. Once cut, place all in a bowl. Now it's time to season them. We'll start with salt and pepper. You want to add both to your taste. Add a layer of garlic powder. Make sure it's garlic powder and not garlic salt. You don't want to oversalt them. We'll sprinkle some rosemary and some thyme. Time after time. Some paprika. You can use regular or smoked. Either works fine. You can also add 1/8 teaspoon, a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper. Now we'll add some mayonnaise, which helps deliver moist, tender, crispy results with maximum flavor penetration. I'm using Hellmann's mayonnaise. I usually ballpark it, but I want to give you exact measurements, so we'll go with 1/4 cup of mayo. Last but not least, Sriracha sauce. I'm going with 1/4 teaspoon of Sriracha sauce, but you can do half a teaspoon to 1 teaspoon if you like a spicy kick. Now we mix until fully coated. Before we continue, we want to start preheating our air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I'm using my Cosori dual blaze air fryer. While our air fryer preheats, we can start threading our chicken onto our skewers. Now tell me in the comments below, do you have an air fryer? If so, what kind of air fryer do you have and what's your favorite thing to cook on it? By the way, I have a playlist of air fryer recipes on my YouTube channel you can check out. I'm under Rose Oatley. Once the air fryer is ready, you want to lightly spray it with avocado oil or the oil of your choice. This will help with sticking. You want to use a spray bottle or a brush. Be careful not to use the aerosol cans, which can damage the air fryer coating of your basket. If you're interested in any of the products I use, you can find links below in the description section of my YouTube video, along with other favorites. I do have an Amazon storefront, so be sure and check that out. Once you've got your oil in there, you want to place your skewers in the air fryer in a single layer. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Cook them in batches if you have to. We'll start by cooking these at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. I've got 10 more seconds left. Use a meat thermometer like this inexpensive one to check that the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Link will be posted below. Once these are done, we're going to remove them from the basket, then add our second batch. We'll cover these with aluminum foil and let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's work on our delicious garlic butter sauce. On medium heat or number 7, melt 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, turn your heat down to low and add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of fresh parsley. You want to mix and cook this for 3 minutes. This is already smelling amazing. Let's set this aside temporarily. They're done. I've got my second batch going, but in the meantime, I did want to serve them on this plate here. You can serve them over a bed of rice and your favorite veggies, as I have done here. Now it's time to brush on that delicious garlic butter sauce generously onto our cooked chicken skewers. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good. Now we're going to top it off with some fresh parsley for garnish. Before we cut into this, take a look at this beauty screaming your name out. So good. Now it's time for the taste test. All right. So we got to cut into one of these, right? Ready for this? My dog says she is. Look at that. Pure heaven. So good. What do you think, friends? I really hope you give this a try, and if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, share with your friends, and don't forget to follow. Thanks for your support. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the site. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.